With our artist here. So where's our lucky guests? Okay. From Avalon Zoo. You're welcome. Join us here on stage. Here they are. Okay, go beside me. Here. And this man, right? Okay. So what are your names? Len and Nida from Avalon Zoo. So, Nida and Len, this is how the makeup works. So you will hold these easels. Okay, hold it. And you will choose colors of paint. Then afterwards, we'll have the audience to decide who is the winner of this makeup. Okay? So, you Miss Nida, you came up with early and trainer Paul. And you Miss Len with Emily and Jeremy. Okay, now you're gonna take your place. Remember, just do your best and always have fun. Okay, just give them time to contemplate and respect their creative process. Yes, you're ready. Paintbrushes ready? Okay, paint! We have your Lily's first color is. What's that color? What's the color? Purple. The color of the eggplant. Okay, next. What do we have there, Emily? Okay. She has purple ready. Now she's using yellow. The color of the sun. Next, okay, still purple. Next color early? Yellow. Yes. Next, Ebony? Green. She has also red, the color of an apple. Green. Yes. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 colors. 5 colors already. Color blue. Color of this one.
Sila yun eh. Parang daga aming inaano ng pro.
Colors natin. Okay, color red early. Very good. Good, Jeremy. Color violet again. Color of party. Very good, Emily. So anytime you can consult your team if you're satisfied with your final product, Dakila and Yellow. Yes. Very good. Are you done, officer? Your last color? Green.
Ano yung red? No?
Very good. So how about you, team? Very good? Okay. Team Emily is already done. We're just waiting for Team Early. Good? Okay. Miss Nida is next. Okay. Good here.
Mas maganda yung sa crow nga.
Wow! Not like Michelangelo, but more than a Picasso. Our round of applause for our elite artist. Okay, so for being such a great guest, so our artist here would like to give those paintings as their token of their appreciation. Yes, it's all yours. Thank you so much, Miss Lan and Miss Nida.